Hello everyone, today we are with Houk Bank. Today we're gonna tear down MacBook Pro non-touch bar with only one screwdriver, and then let's see. Everyone now is working, and let's see if I tear down it and then it works properly again.
Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business.
Now here's the board, and it's very easy to get. Now I'm gonna put the board back into the body and let's see if it works. Now it's working now, and I'm only using one screwdriver to do this, and then smash the like button and click subscribe. See you again.